Alright guys, so today we're going to be fitting some Lamin-x to this lovely VW Up behind us. We're going to fit some clear to the headlights and yellow to the fog lights. I'm going to run you through the steps of doing it as I go, just to help you fit it yourself at home. So first of all, we're going to clean the lights, then we're going to spray some water on to mist it. Apply the Lamin-x, apply water to the outside of the Lamin-x to help with the squeegeeing. Then we'll just fit it, go through the steps of heating it, getting the air bubbles out and whatnot. And then yeah, we'll trim it once it's all done and then we're good to go. So step one, we're just going to clean the lights. So we'll give it a quick rub over, try and get off any excess dirt. We don't want any grit or anything on there as we're applying. So now you're going to get your mister that comes in your fitting kit. So you've got your squeegee for applying. You've got your mist bottle to use distilled water in it. And you've also got your trim tool, also known as a knife. So just apply a light mist to the light like so. Now you're going to get your Lamin-x and just peel off the card backing. It's always ideal, try and hold it by the fitting tabs because you don't want to put any fingerprints on the inside of the film because you'll be able to see it when it's on the light. So now what we're going to do is just try and offer it up and get it as near as possible. Doesn't matter if you put it on, it's a little bit wonky, you can peel it off and stick it as many times as you like. It's got a nice adhesive backing on there. So now we're going to grab our heat gun and we're just going to start applying heat. Top tips is if you work from the middle and try and work your way up and then do the bottom as you go. You can pull the film, but you just don't want to stretch it. So just give it a little tug, make sure it's nice and flat. Just don't pull it too much because it will tear. And with our squeegee, just try and work out all of the air bubbles. So you can see on here, we're getting a few little bubbles. We're just going to lift the edge and just work them out. So you can see any little air bubbles like this, where you've got a ridge, we can just try and squeeze it and then it'll pop out into the other bit. So then we just work out these bits, so a little bit of heat to where it's got like starting to crease. And now we should. Get all those creases out nice and easy like so. So if you come to the end of fitting and you realise you've got a little air bubble left in there, if it's small it'll be fine, it will breathe itself out over the next couple of days. The material will sort of breathe in so it will get rid of any small bubbles or imperfections. If it's a larger air bubble and you really don't want to take it off again, you can use a syringe to suck the air out, or you can also use a pin or a needle, make a little hole, push the air out with your squeegee, and the material is self-healing so it'll heal up after you've finished. So the next step, we're just going to use our trim tool and we're going to cut off the fitting tabs or any excess from around the light. So now the Up is completely protected from any debris while you're driving along. It also looks very stylish. I mean, check out our social media or our website for any further videos. If you have any questions at all, give one of the team a call or drop us an email.